Hey guys, Chad Jenkins with SEEDSPARK CoLAB. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about Switzerland. Yep, you heard it, Switzerland. And the role that Switzerland plays in conjunction with our role internally of all of our collaborations, which is our CoLAB Architect. But first, let's get into the why. Switzerland, dating back as far as 1815, was deemed the neutral party at the Congress of Vienna. It wasn't their decision. One would argue that it was very strategic to create a neutral party by other European powers, and luckily, it was Switzerland. So Switzerland has been serving in that role, and of course is a major hub for most of the cash in the world, finds its way to Switzerland. So what role do they play in transactions or in the world? So they remain non-aligned. They're just offering a safe haven for dialogue, diplomacy, and humanitarian efforts. In relation, the Red Cross wasn't informed until 1863. So the legacy of unwavering impartiality, confidentiality, and then staying committed to the peace and progress has continued to make Switzerland the archetype for trusted facilitation between competing or collaborating parties. So let's get back to our CoLAB architects.